STC, Saudi Telecom Company, Mobile Operator Review, Usage Experience. Links to STC plans and services are in the description. STC is the largest telecom provider in Saudi Arabia, offering mobile, internet, and business solutions. It's known for strong network coverage, fast 5G speeds, and extensive service options. STC is ideal for residents, businesses, and travelers needing reliable connectivity. It provides prepaid and postpaid plans with generous data, unlimited calls, and international roaming. The MySTC app allows users to manage accounts, pay bills, and activate services easily. STC's 5G network is one of the best in the region, delivering ultra-fast speeds and low latency, making it great for streaming, gaming, and remote work. Customer service is generally responsive, with support via call centers, chat, and social media. Pricing is higher compared to competitors like Mobily and Zain, but the coverage and quality justify the cost. International roaming options are available, though costs vary depending on the plan. For those looking for alternatives, STC also owns Jawi, a digital-first service with flexible plans. Overall, STC is the best choice for those who prioritize network quality and reliability in Saudi Arabia. If you need premium service, it's worth it. Links to STC plans are below. Check them out and choose what suits you best.